Good day everyone, my name is Shamil Siksan. Today I am the one who assigned to lead for our Energizer. So are you guys ready? So for our first step is 1, 2, 3, 4. And our second step is 5, 6, 7, 8. And our third step is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And our last step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it.
Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagsama-samahin, paghalo-haloin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Saging, saging, mangga, mangga, papaya, papaya, pagsama-samahin, paghalo-haloin, fruit salad, fruit salad.
Hello, my name is Princess Mary P. Basilan. Today I'll be discussing about words of wisdom. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. By Jack Ma. Ang ibig sabihin po ng quote ay may araw po na magiging mahirap at may pagkakataon na mas magiging mabigat po ang sitwasyon, pero wag tayong sumuko dahil darating po ang panahon na magiging maayos rin ang lahat.
My name is Erica Joy Ibermeo. We are done with the Energizer and words of wisdom. Today, I will discuss the safety precautions in using portable electric drill. The first one is wear safety glasses when operating the portable electric drill. Magsuot po tayo ng safety glasses kapag po tayo ay nag-ooperate ng electric drill upang maprotektahan ang mga mata natin mula sa mga labi. Mga labi po, ito po yung maliliit na peraso na nakat. At ibang bagay po na maaaring lumipad sa panahon po ng mga paggamit. At number 2, disconnect the drill from the electrical supply when installing the bits. Kailangan po i-disconnect ang drill para maiwasan ng electrical shock. Kapag po nakakonect ang drill sa supply ng kuryente, ang mga parts po nito ay may kuryente. At kapag po ito ay nahawakan natin, habang tayo ay nag-i-install, ang mga bits ay maaaring mag-cause ng electrical shock. At number 3 po, clamp stock. So, it will not move during the drilling operation. Clamp stock po upang hindi po gumalaw o mausad habang tayo ay nagbabarena. Mahalaga po na i-clamp stock para maiwasan nga po ang paggalaw ng stock. Habang nagbabarena, kung hindi po ito'y nakakabit sa stock, maaring gumalaw at mas twist po ito. At maaring pong magdulot ng hindi pantay na mga butas o maging cause ng pagkawala po ng control sa drill. Number 4, before drilling, turn the drill on to see if the bit is centered and at place. And buksan daw po natin yung drill para po makita po natin if yung bit daw po ay nasa center at nasa lugar po ba, upang matiyak ang drill ay gumagana po ng maayos.
Number 5, align the drill bit with the desired hole before turning on the drill. So bago po natin buksan or ipaandarin yung drill, make sure po natin na naka-align yung bit niya sa desired hole na bubutasan po natin para maiwasang magkamali at iba po yung mabutasan natin. Number 6, hold the drill firmly with both hands while drilling. So, habang ginagamit po natin yung portable electrical drill, make sure po natin na hawak natin siya ng maayos para po hindi madulas or kung ano mga accidents yung mangyari sa atin while using the electrical portable drill. Next naman po, number 7. While drilling deep holes with a twist drill, move the bit up and down several times while drilling to remove cuttings and reduce overheating in the bit. Kapag naman po malalim yung pagbubutasan natin or yung bubutasan natin, yung drill po na gamit natin is i-move po natin pataas at pababa para po yung mga debris or yung mga natanggal po na material dun sa pinagbutasan po natin, gaya po ng semento, is hindi po siya maipon dun sa loob, which can cause po, kapag hindi po natin nagawa, pwede pong mag-init yung drill at maipon po dun sa loob. At pwede pong masira yung drill natin. Next po, number 8, avoid the cord to wrap around the drill when working. Kapag naman po, habang po ginagamit natin yung drill, iwasan po natin na yung cord is ma-wrap po dun sa drill na ginagamit natin kasi pwede po siyang mag-cause ng shortage or pwede pong masira yung cord na magkakos din po na pagkasira ng drill natin at may tendency hindi na po natin siya magamit.
If the electrical cord becomes frayed or begins to separate from the drilling house, repair it immediately, because a frayed or damaged electrical cord can be serious safety hazards. It's important to repair or replace the cord immediately to prevent electrical shock or fire. Number 10. Remove the bit from the drill as soon as the work is completed. This helps prevent accidents and ensures that the bit is not damaged. It also helps to keep the drill clean and organized. Number 11. Select the correct bit for the finish and materials being drilled. Make sure that the bit is surely tightened in the drill chuck. Using the wrong bit can be damage the materials being drilled or the drill itself. It's also important to make sure that the bit is surely tightened to prevent it from slipping or coming loose. Number 12 is extremely careful when using larger portable electrical drill. 3/8 and 1/2. If the bit hangs or gets caught, the drill will twist in the operator's hand, causing a sprain or bruise. Larger drills can be more powerful and difficult to control, especially when using larger bits. It's important to be extra careful when using these drills to prevent injuries.
Number 13. Always remove the key from the chuck before drilling. Sa pagtanggal po ng chuck key mula sa drill chuck bago buksan ang power, makakaiwas po kayo sa aksidenteng pag-andar ng tool. Number 14. To prevent seizing, reduce the feed pressure when the drill bit is about to come through the material. Bawasan ang pwersa kapag malapit na ang drill bit sa material. Ito ay upang maiwasan na bumaon o masira ang drill.
Procedure in portable electric drill. Number 1 is always put the punch at the center or make a starting indication in the material being drilled to get an accurate starting point from the drill bit. Sa pamamagitan daw po ng paraan ng paggamit ng portable electric drill, palaging ilagay ang punch sa gitna o gumawa ng panimulang indikasyon sa material na binabarena upang makakuha ng tumpak na panimulang punto para sa drill bit. Kumbaga, etong una daw po ay linyahan muna natin para kung sakto at maganda ang pagkakabutas ng ating binabarena. Number 2 is tighten the drill by rotating the chuck key to all 3 rows in the chuck. This will help you to keep the drill bits entered. Ikpitan daw po ang drill bit sa pamamagitan ng pag-ikot ng chuck key sa lahat ng tatlong tungkulin ng chuck. Makakaitulong ito sa iyo sa pananatiling maipasok ang mga drill bits. So, ito po ang chuck. Ito naman po ang keyhole. Dito daw po, by rotating daw po, ay makakatulong ito sa paghigpit dito sa drill bit.
Use only straight chuck or silver and diamond drill bits in portable electric drills, because they provide a secure grip in the drill's chuck, ensuring stability and preventing slippage during operation. Apply moderate pressure to the drill during the drilling operation. If excessive pressure is required to make the bit cut, it means that the bit needs to be sharpened. Applying moderate pressure during drilling ensures controlled cutting and prevents overheating or damaging the drill bit. Excessive pressure indicates a dull bit that needs sharpening, as a sharp bit should cut easily without requiring extra force. Maintain good balance at all times when drilling. Maintaining good balance while drilling ensures control, stability, and safety, reducing the risk of slipping, misalignment, or injury during the operation. Use slow drill speed for drilling metal and fast speed for drilling wood. Slow drill speed is needed for drilling metal to prevent overheating, reduce wear on the bit, and ensure smooth, precise cuts. Fast speed is used for drilling wood because it cuts through softer materials more efficiently without causing splintering or burning. To obtain holes that are placed accurately, drill a small pilot first. Then drill the final hole. Drilling a small pilot hole first helps guide the larger drill bit, preventing it from wandering and ensuring greater accuracy when drilling the final hole. This method also reduces the risk of damaging the material and makes the drilling process easier and more precise.